You are welcome to today's session. So today we have this question on the board to solve. The question says that cos 30 is equal to sine 60, and the 2 is equal to, that's cos 30 cos 60, cos 30 sine 60 is equal to this, sine 30 cos 60 is equal to this, and they want us to evaluate tan 60 minus 1 minus tan 30. So divided by 1 minus what? Tan 30. How do we go about with this? Now, before we continue with this, I want you to understand that, you see, here they don't want you to use calculator ideally, but because this is an objective question, you can use calculator without knowing. But let's assume that they asked you not to use calculator. How do you go about it? They give you cos 30 sine 30 sine 30 cos 60, all right, and they've given you this, but they didn't give you tan 60, they didn't give you tan 30. So how are you going to work around it? Now I want you to understand that tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. Now let me explain something over here. Assuming that you have this diagram, this side is your angle, this side is the hypotenuse, all right. Let's say that this side is 5, and let's say that this side is 4, this side is 3. Now this side will become the opposite, okay, and this side will become the adjacent. We have what we call SOHCAHTOA. Now this helps you to know that sine, the S is representing sine, telling you that sine theta, the O is opposite, the H is hypotenuse, is opposite over what? Hypotenuse. So in this very particular one that I'm using to demonstrate, what is happening here is that you have opposite, which is what? 4. Hypotenuse is what? 5. Okay. Now cos theta is also equal to adjacent, okay, 3 over hypotenuse, which in this case is 5. What is tan theta? Tan theta will be equal to opposite, in this case 4, over the adjacent, which is what? 3. Now let's come back to this. I said that tan theta is equal to sine theta over cos theta. So now let's look at this side. If tan theta, based on what I said, is equal to the sine theta over cos theta, what is this is sine, what is sine over here? That is 4 over 5. All right, what is cos over here, which is 3 over 5? So you will solve this in a fraction form, which is 4 over 5. This one is dividing, so you have 3 over 5. It will become 4 over 5. Then the division sign will change to multiplication, giving you 5 over 3. So they will cancel out. So this times that will give you 4. 1 times the 3 will give you a 3. So at the end of the day, you see that tan theta is equal to 4 over 3, which initially I wrote it from this side. So I'm just trying to let you understand that with this question that has been given to you, even though they did not give you tan, we can draw conclusion that, please let me clean it this side. We can draw conclusion that then tan 60 should be equal to, that is, since we said is tan theta is equal to, so sine 60, all right, divided by cos 60. Okay, then if that is the case, what is sine 60? Sine 60 here is root 3 over what? 2. What is cos 60? Is 1 over 2. I hope you are following. Now, can we now rewrite the whole thing as root 3 on 2 divided by 1 over 2? So you have root 3 on 2 times 2 over 1. So when you multiply, you have 2 over root 3 on this times, that will give you 2. Okay, so meaning that this term here, please let me rewrite the whole question, which is tan 60 minus 1 on 1 minus tan 30, meaning that this one over here, okay, is now 2 root 3 on 2. Let's not waste my time. These two will cancel it. Okay, so at the end of the day, you have root 3 minus this one. Okay, please permit me to clean this side. Then let's come to tan 30 equal to sine 30 over cos 30. With the explanation given so far, what it means is that you come and look for sine 30, which is what? 1 over 2. Then you have cos 30. Cos 30 is what? Root 3 on 2. So that will become, alright, 1 over 2 divided by root 3 on 2. So you have 1 over 2 times 2. You know it will turn upside down. The mathematical word is reciprocate. Then you have root 3 over here. So this one will cancel, giving you 1 over what? Root 3. So you are going to replace it with what you have here. So that will become 1 minus, okay, tan 30. The tan 30 that we just did is now equal to 1 minus root 3. Just so we are sure before we move on, what is tan 30? Let me use the calculator. Is giving us, oh my god. Alright, so tan 30 is giving us root 3 over 3. Now root 3 over 3 over here, what it means that it will rationalize it. Okay, so that this one times this will give you root 3. This one times this will give you what? 3. So we can now come and replace it with this side, which is root 3 on 3. Please, I hope you are following. Kindly take your time to watch it, else it will be a little bit confusing to you, okay? But it's supposed to be easy. Now, our focus is on this side. Our focus is supposed to be here. So what you are going to do right now is to, that's this over 1. So you have 1 over 1 on root 3 on 3. You find the LCM, which is 3. This one goes here, you have 3 times this. You have 3 1. So you have, that is 3 root 3. Okay, giving you, that is root 3 minus 1 on 3 root 3 on 3. So ideally what you are seeing over here is supposed to be root 3 minus 1 all over 1. Okay, for example, when you see any number 2 is the same as 2 over 1. A is the same as A over 1. So the top one is supposed to be over 1. Alright, since they are dividing, the division sign here will change to multiplication. Alright, then after that, it will reciprocate like we did initially, giving you 3 over 3 root what? Minus 3 like this. Okay, then you multiply, giving you 3 root 3 minus 3. That's the whole of this will multiply everything over here. This one to also multiply, so you have 3 minus, that is root 3 this way. Please, I hope you are following. So from here, you can just conjugate, all right? And that will give you 3 plus root 3. Then this will become 3 plus root 3. Please, let me clean this side. So the whole of this will multiply this. 3 by 3 will give you 9. Okay, then you have root 3. Okay, then the whole of this will now multiply this. So the 3 here will multiply 1 here, giving you 3. Root 3 will give you, that is 3. Okay, so the 3 times the 3 here will give you, that is plus 9. Then when you are done, so right now this one has multiplied everything over here. This one will now multiply this, giving you neg 9. This one has multiplied this, giving you, that is neg 3 root 3. That is for the top one. But guess what? This one will cancel that. Okay, now let's come to this side. This 3 and 3 will multiply, giving you 9. The same 3 multiplied is giving you, that is 3 root 3 is positive, so plus 3. Then this one will multiply is negative, so it give you neg 3 root 3. root 3 will give you 3, but it's negative positive, so you have like 3. So this one will cancel. So now watch it. At the end of the day, this one will be subtracted from the coefficient over here. So you have 9 minus 3 root 3. Then this one to become 9 minus 3. I hope you are following. When you deduct this one from this, that will give you 6 root 3. When you deduct, you have 6. This one will cancel. So at the end of the day, you have root 3. And that will be your answer. So you come and look through the options and you realize that your answer is